They don't teach this in manuals. And your dealership? Yeah, they definitely won't tell you. These are 5 diesel secrets only experienced drivers know. And if you want your engine to last longer, run smoother, and save you money, keep watching. You're about to learn what separates rookies from real diesel veterans. Secret number 1, the warm-up myth. You've probably heard people say, always idle your diesel for 10 minutes before driving. Well, that's only half true. Experienced drivers know that too much idling can actually cause more harm than good. Modern diesel engines warm up faster when they're driven gently, not left sitting cold. Excessive idling leads to carbon buildup, wet stacking, and wasted fuel. The trick? Let it idle for about 30 to 60 seconds, then drive off gently. Let it warm up under light load. That's how the pros do it. Secret number 2, diesel fuel goes bad. Think diesel lasts forever in the tank? Nope. It degrades faster than you'd expect, especially with today's biodiesel blends. After just a few months, untreated fuel can grow algae, attract moisture, and clog injectors with sludge. Experienced drivers always use a diesel fuel stabilizer if their vehicle sits for long periods, and they regularly drain the water separator. This keeps starts clean and injectors healthy. Secret number 3, the turbo timer trick. Most diesel engines come turbocharged, but here's what most rookies miss. When you shut off your engine right after hard driving, the turbo's still spinning crazy fast. And there's no more oil flowing. That's a recipe for turbo damage. Experienced drivers idle for about a minute after towing or highway runs to cool the turbo down. Some even install a turbo timer that does it automatically. It's a small habit that saves thousands. Secret number 4, don't lug the engine. Diesel engines have massive torque. It feels like you can drive at super low RPM in high gear with no issue. But lugging, that's running the engine at low RPMs in a high gear, puts serious stress on the crankshaft, rods, and bearings. Experienced drivers avoid it like the plague. They keep RPM between 1,500 and 2,200 where power and efficiency are balanced. Downshifting isn't weakness, it's smart driving. Secret number 5, cleaning the intake. This is the one almost no one talks about. Even if you change your oil and filters on time, your intake manifold could be choking. Modern diesel engines recycle exhaust gases through the EGR system, but that also dumps soot and oily vapor into your intake. Over time, this carbon buildup reduces airflow, kills performance, and hurts MPG. Veteran drivers clean their intake and EGR system every 50,000 to 80,000 kilometers, depending on driving style. It's dirty work, but it brings the engine back to life. There you go, 5 diesel secrets only experienced drivers know. How many did you already use? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a part 2 with even more deep dive tips, like injector coating and DPF regeneration hacks, hit that like button and subscribe. Drive smart, drive strong, and treat your diesel right.